Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1979 Corvette. And got the owner Tony here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing, Tony?
Good, I'm doing really good.
30 years you've owned this thing,
30,
huh?
30 years, garage kept, covered.
Very cool. Love the red too. So tell us a little about it.
I enjoy driving it when I do drive it, and everybody's always complimenting me on it.
It's pretty.
And I've gone to quite a few car shows, and I've placed either first or second. I've taken Judge's Choice Awards. It's a beautiful car.
It is super nice. Got the stickies on the back, so you got something serious under the hood, right?
Yes,
What
it's
do you
a
got there?
blue-printed 383 stroker.
Okay. Roller too, right?
Yeah, 440 horse.
Wow.
And the tranny was worked on also and has a shift kit.
It's a turbo 350 or 400?
350.
Okay.
Has 373 gears in the rear pocket.
A little bit of stall in the tranny?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like 3,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool. 373 gears. You got the matching tires for the back too, but I like the stickies. Gives it a real nice look.
Yeah.
Keeps it on the road too, you know?
It helps.
Really cool. Love it.
You never know when you want to juice it, you know?
Yeah. You ain't kidding, man. Really pretty stance.
Really strong. It's a good running car.
Power windows, power steering, power brakes. When was the paint done? Looks pretty fresh.
It's done in 95.
95.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, it's been garaged.
Yeah, so you haven't put many miles on it since then, huh?
3,400 miles.
3,400 miles?
95.
Wow. Nothing. You know, this body is such a great value right now. Really gleaming in the sun. Love the red too, you know?
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite color combos. T-tops. Tilt wheel.
All interior's been
windows.
done. All the gauges have been replaced. Yeah, cluster glass, center console.
Yeah, super nice and clear too. Real nice dash, tilt wheel.
I keep the cover on the new steering wheel so the oil for my hands doesn't discolor it.
A little obsessive. You fire it up? Yeah, it sounds good. Tony, can you pop the hood? You got Flowmasters on here? Flowmasters? Man, sounds good. There she is, 383 stroker, full roller.
Complete MSD distributor.
MSD blaster. Yep, 6AL. Electronic ignition. Electronic distributor. Got Edelbrock reformer high-rise manifold. 750, huh? Single pumper or double? Double pumper. Cool. Power steering, power brakes. Man. Runs good, huh?
Yeah.
Real strong. Got an oil cooler up front too, huh?
Yeah.
Tranny. Yeah, pretty interior. Al knock. There it is, 3,454 miles on the resto on this car. Yeah, it looks so good with the top off, Tony. pop the lights again? Perfect, and shut them off. There you go. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Give me a call. Hit that subscribe button. It's 631-339-0399. Also, check out our website, webeautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your car, Tony. Awesome.
Quite welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.